Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Carpal. Welcome to a brand new session with us. We are here with this big guy. This is the Isuzu MU-X, and this is the most premium offering by Isuzu in India. Now, usually what we do is we talk about a vehicle and talk about its strengths and weaknesses. But today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the MU-X. We're going to talk about 5 aspects about the MU-X, which are both strengths as well as weaknesses. So let's go straight to point number 1. Point number 1 here is the powertrain. When you talk about a big diesel engine, you talk about Isuzu's diesel engines because they are world-renowned and globally respected. You have a 3-liter diesel engine inside the MU-X, which gives you 177 horsepower and 380 Nm of torque, which are very, very generous figures. On the flip side is that you have a 5-speed automatic transmission in the MU-X, which is a little slow to shift. So if you want to have a lot of fun while driving, you need to shift to manual mode and shift up and shift down to match your enthusiasm. So that way it's a bit of a letdown. So point number 2 is the drivability aspect of the vehicle. A lot of things have gone right with the MU-X, especially ride and handling. The braking, because it's got all 4 disc brakes, and it's got a very well-tuned suspension to make sure that any road is a very easy road to handle. On the flip side, you have a hydraulic power steering unit, which is a very, very heavy system to steer. Though it gives you a lot of road feedback, but if you find yourself in a spot where you need to make a U-turn or a very, very tight maneuver, you're going to have to put in a lot of effort. Now, point number 3 is that the operational expenses of the Isuzu. To be honest, when you have a 3-liter diesel engine up front, the maintenance costs are expected to be very high, but with the Isuzu they are very reasonable, and they are reasonable to an extent where it could even put a lot of European hatchbacks and sedans to shame when it comes to operational expenses. On the flip side again there, Isuzu is still a small brand in India, so maybe as the brand grows, we'll have a lot more support centers, a lot more customer touch points for customers to get the vehicle serviced at. So let's actually go shift inside the vehicle and talk about the remaining points. So come inside. Inside the MU-X, so point number 4 here is the interiors. What is great here is that there's a lot of space. The dimensions of the vehicle are quite generous, to be honest, and it's not just the space, of course. There's also the comfort of the seats, because it's got a very comfortable seat. A lot of very good thigh support. Side bolstering is here to make sure your body structure is very well supported. The rear seats are also pretty good to sit on. The third row is also pretty great. It is a little bit of a squeeze, but on a lot of levels it's actually quite manageable. Now, the letdown inside the vehicle is that the interiors here, you might find the dashboard to be very primitive, and given the fact that the D-Max V-Cross, which is the pickup truck, which is also based on the same platform, it has an identical dashboard, which could be a little bit of a put off because that's almost half the price of the MU-X. And it's not just that; it's also it's not the most intuitive of of dashboards here. For example, here's the AC controls, and you have a bunch of dummy buttons over here, but you have the rear AC vent switch over here, which is a very odd place. Now, coming to point number 5. Point number 5 is actually the most important one, and we're going to talk about safety here. What is great about the Isuzu MU-X is that it's got amazing build quality, and you can just feel that when I close the door. There's a lot of indicators about build quality here, but what is the letdown here is, at this price point, all the other vehicles give you at least 6 airbags, whereas the MU-X still sticks to only 2. So that's a bit of a compromise over there. So now let's just go out and talk about the verdict about what we think about the MU-X. The Isuzu MU-X is a great vehicle, but if you are in the market for a vehicle that is very similar to the previous generation of the Toyota Fortuner, and also want a SUV that is modern looking and that is more urban looking, I think that way the MU-X is the vehicle for you. And so on that note, I think it's time to wrap the session up, and in case you're interested in the MU-X, feel free to request a test drive or book the MU-X on Carpal anytime, and we'll make sure everything is stress free for you. Have a great day. See you.